So I decided to come to college because it gave me a sense of responsibility, and I just love cooking, and we didn't get it in sixth form. College has made me a lot more independent, and it's made me a lot more aware of what I want to do in the future.
After leaving school, I felt like I was best taking a more practical approach, hence why I decided to come here and expand my skills.
My favourite part has been learning that I can cook properly, and it has definitely been meeting all of the people on the course and seeing how to do different things in the kitchen.
In my first year at college, I was given the opportunity to work at a big event for 700 people, and I was waiting on there with this big dinner party, live music and everything, and I was given the opportunity to work there, and that was a great experience.
We had guest speakers like David Kelman come in, and we watched a masterclass and he showed us how to cook different types of seafood. We had online meetings with Nick Rudge, who used to work with Heston Blumenthal, and that was quite interesting. He taught us how the catering industry works on the inside with someone as big as him.
My tutors have encouraged me to be more confident in myself and realise my potential and abilities over the last few years, and I feel like I have gained confidence as each year has gone by.
It's like such a close-knit course, everyone knows you, and I thought when I first was going to come here that I was really scared, but everyone made me feel so welcome.
College has shown me that I'm more confident than I thought I was, and the tutors have definitely helped bring up my expectations of myself, especially in what I can produce in the kitchen and how I can handle myself.
If you're keen and wanting to be in the hospitality or catering industry when you're older, then join this course. It's a very good course and it teaches you a lot. You can go very far and you've got a lot of options when you leave college.